That's good.
Okay, today we're going to do a Loco Moco. Loco Moco is Hawaiian comfort food. It was invented in Hilo at either the Lincoln Cafe or Cafe 100 back in about 1949. It's got fairly apocryphal beginnings, so not everybody knows exactly where it was invented, but it was invented in Hilo by a group of football players. They were in a barefoot football league that played in Lincoln Park. They had a guy named, his nickname was Loco, crazy. And one of the guys was in the process of taking Spanish classes. And so he basically came up with the idea that loco means crazy in Spanish. And so they called it Loco, and they added the word moco because it rhymed really well. Now, for people who speak Spanish, moco means snot. So basically what the name of this dish is in Spanish is crazy snot, but that's not really what it is. It's Hawaiian comfort food in every traditional sense of the word. It starts with a bed of rice, it's got a burger on top, it's got gravy on that, and an egg on top of that. Generally, you can make the rice white rice or fried rice. We're going to use fried rice because I like it better with fried rice. We had a fried rice recipe in an earlier video. We're going to go ahead and we're going to link it up here somewhere, and you can get the recipe for fried rice. We're going to show Young making it to start, but we're not going to give you the recipe all over again. This fried rice is going to have bacon in it. For the Loco Moco. Cook up a couple of hamburgers. And basically, there's nothing special here. You put salt and pepper. It's just a very standard hamburger. The trick to a Loco Moco to making it taste good is all in the gravy. And so you're taking basic fried rice and a burger and a fried egg, and then you're just gonna make sure you have a nice Hawaiian style gravy on it, and you'll get yourself a nice Loco Moco. I'll show you how to make the gravy in a while. You need the pan drippings from the burgers in order to make the Loco Moco gravy. And so let's first cook the burger, then we'll get to the gravy.
Melt the butter in with the pan dripping and then stir in the flour and cook until they're roughly cooked together, about a minute to 2 minutes. Pour in the beef broth and cook until it's smooth, about another 30 seconds to a minute. Then add the spices in.
fried egg on top. So we're going to go ahead, crack an egg. I like to crack it on the countertop. If you crack it on the edge of the pan, you're going to drive some of the shell pieces into the egg, and you're going to wind up with eggshell in your dish. You don't want eggshell in your dish. Crack it on the countertop and then put it into the pan. Here we have our traditional Hawaiian Loco Moco. You can get it in most restaurants in Hawaii, particularly the breakfast restaurants. It's a standard breakfast dish. You want to get everything together, the egg, the burger, the rice, the gravy, put it all together, and it's really tasty. Yeah, that's good. I like the way that this gravy tastes. It's very complex. Hawaiian gravies, it's hard to find this style of gravy someplace else. It's not that it's that hard to make, it's just that nobody else does it except like they do in Hawaii. Now you know how to make one for yourself. It's really good, very savory. The egg tempers a little bit of the saltiness. Like I said, the dish can be salty if you're careful. I did not put shoyu in the gravy. A lot of people will put shoyu in the gravy. That makes it too salty for me, so I do it without. If you like this video, please subscribe. Please give us a thumbs up. Both of those help us. It's going to help us to grow our channel, and we hope to grow the channel. Eventually we'll be traveling, we'll go into restaurants. We'll show you some really nice restaurants where you can go. For right now, because we're quarantined because of coronavirus, we're cooking at home.